good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. How is everybody? Happy Wednesday, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Alright. Yeah, we had Canadian news, right? Canada news Wednesday. So the interest rate remains unchanged. And well, this one, and in 30 minutes they have the press conference. So let's check our traders, shall we? Our traders, how are our traders doing? Alright, so Sasha is in red. Don't worry, it's floating loss, long on Euro New Zealand. Melissa, it's in red, long on GBP, CHF, all good. And Mark, shorting in red. Alright, it's, well, don't worry everybody, it's this week it's packed with news, right? And Euro, NZD. Sasha, be careful tomorrow and Friday. It's for everybody, directly or indirectly. You know, Friday we have Canada again, everybody, Canadian news again, and we have the non-farm payroll too. Alright, everybody, I posted a coupon for 20% discount if you want to check, if you want to join the team. Alright, when you go to sign up, wait a second. So here you have 20, right? If you go with track record, you get 30. And what's the difference? The difference, that's the difference. Well, now it's track record, right? They are changing, you know. So you go with track record, you get the ebook. If you go with FX Boss 20, you get the ebook, plus you get the trading session for free, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Alright everybody, yes, on Skype, correct, it's on Skype. Alright everybody, you're going to graduate from the course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand how you win, how you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Please disclaimer, these webinars are not, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We're here to learn, and for questions and homeworks you have my Gmail for the free manual. Just send me an email everybody. Alright, it's for free, it doesn't cost you a cent. And that being said, everybody, how are you going to make money out of NZD CAD today? We just had Canadian news. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. Where are we? 1 hour chart. Whoops, there you go. Everybody, how are you going to make pips and money out of the news? There is no right or wrong, don't worry. Somebody was talking about consolidation, maybe, you know, not that sure, but anyways, just maybe, right? Yeah, it could be also. Waiting for Friday, maybe, right? Alright everybody, so far, and let me clone chart. And let's do something like this, and let's go on the daily chart. That's the daily chart. And on the left hand side you have the 1 hour chart. Any ideas everybody? There is no right or wrong. So the first candle, the 1 hour candle, it's Yes, we learned from the manual that news have a 7-hour effect, right? Maximum. What does this mean? After the 7th hour, the news is the price action. It's not news related anymore. Boss, can I trade on the 50-minute chart? Sure, why not? I'm just on the 1 hour just to check, to see. And everybody, so the 15-minute chart, give it a second. Come on. There you go. And we can even spread, clone. We can do like this, right? We can have the 15-minute chart above, we can have the 1 hour chart below. And there you go. 15 minutes to 1 hour. Exactly. From the manual. What page? Give me a second, everybody. Somebody asking about the page. Technical highs and lows, market behavior, market structure and trends, how to trade market structure, uptrend, consolidate. How news events impact what we have. So page 68. Let's open the website called Forex Factory and click on calendar. How to read the website? Well, the relevant information is, you have date plus date, time of the news release, the currency that is going to affect by the news, and the importance of the news, meaning not every news event is considered high impact. Clarification: high impact news get more relevant according to the smaller time frame that you trade. What does this mean? This means that, example, if you're trading the market wave on the daily chart or the Fibonacci, for what matters, not even the non-farm payroll is going to break the market wave or the Fibonacci. But the story changes completely when you trade the 15-minute chart or the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's true. It's true, everybody. Now, of course, right? Of course. We didn't learn Fibonacci's yet, right? But take the daily market wave, alright? Take the daily market wave, which I believe is like this, and here and here and here and here. So the non-farm payroll is not, the news has a 7-hour effect maximum. So the non-farm payroll, you are not going to see the market crashing these levels. And make sense, everybody? It's good news, it doesn't have that much force. Now, but just to be clear, if this market would be, just an example, but up in here, right, up in here, and this would be the level of the, before the news event comes, now this would be, a different story. Make sense? But if you don't like to trade the news, if you don't like the news, it's all if you don't like the news, it's all good news. Go on the daily chart and the news is not going to directly affect you because the daily patterns are too big. Does this make sense? No, there is no right or wrong. So if you go here, so here is the end date, the hour of the release, and is anything special? Currency affected by the news, different severity of the news, not every news is high impact. You see the red color, you see the yellow color, orange color. So here are some questions to ponder and decide upon. If you are a beginner trader, ask yourself those 3 fundamental questions. Number 1, if you know that a high impact news event is coming And if you're in a trade losing, what are you going to do? Great question, right? If you know that a high impact news event is coming, and if you are in a winning trade, what are you going to do? See, everybody, you might be in a trade on the 15-minute chart. You might be in a trade on the 15-minute chart, just an example. So you might have bought in here, 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 you know. So you are in a winning trade and you know the news event is coming. What are you going to do? Because if you don't act, bam! Can you see it, everybody? If you don't act, this news event, what happened right now? Even the first entry on the 15-minute chart, you are back to square zero, break even. No, there is no right or wrong, but can you see how the news event impacts what you do? So, strategy, it's up to you. No, this is just an example, counter trendline break, you know. Let's say that you are buying consolidation. I mean, just an example. Just to show you if you know what to do. One more time, thanks for the question, but this is the answer. It's according to your strategy. You can say, I'm going to close the trade 5 minutes before the news. Or I'm going to put my stop loss to break even if you enter up in here on the last one, you know, you can say, alright, at least if the market goes my way, I'm going to win more, but if the market goes against me, at least I'm not going to lose anything. Does this make sense to you? You could have entered here, just an example, on the 15-minute chart. You could have entered here on the 15-minute chart. You could have entered here on the 50-minute chart. And you could have entered here on the 50-minute chart. If you don't have a strategy that addresses news events, you know, bam, back to square zero. If you didn't act, make sense? Up to your strategy. But if you say, just an example, there is no right or wrong. If you say, alright, so everybody, one example would be, okay, I'm going to close my trade in profit 5 minutes before the news, just an example. The other one would be, alright, I'm going to put the take profit, stop loss to break even. In here, in here, in here, in here. You know, so if the market stops me out, at least I'm not going to lose anything. Does this make sense? Hedge fund trader Jan, I'm not sure if you're here. I received your email, I sent you the manual from Czech Republic. Alright, boss, can I cancel and replace? There is no right or wrong. Sure, you can cancel and replace, why not? But remember, it's up to you. You know, so this would be the example. Let's make it green. Give it a second. You know, so you've entered here, stop loss is in here, example. Now, together with the market progressing, you know, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So your stop loss would be in here. Can you see the difference? Everybody, I'm writing a new book, right? And it's called One Trade Means Nothing. Practice, practice, practice. So what is better? You know, is it better to cancel and replace? Alright, so I'm in profit what is better before the news release. Alright, so you have number one, cancel and replace. Number two, stop loss goes to break even. Number three, to do nothing. There is no right or wrong. Alright, everybody? So break even it's better. Well, I don't know. One trade means nothing, everybody. So you need to ever, we're talking about hundreds inside the year. We're talking about hundreds upon hundreds of trades. Make sense? If you would cancel and replace the first one, this will be the second, the third. So your stop loss is in here. So this would not save you. Bam! Right? This was the news. This was the news event about Canada. This would not save you. You would not make any money anyway. Can you see it? This was your first entry, and alright, maybe breadcrumbs, but the second entry you would lose with cancel and replace from the first one. Third entry you would have a small loss. The fourth entry you would have a small loss. Okay? This is today. Tomorrow or Friday, I don't know. If you would stop loss goes to break even, 5 minutes before the news event, then bam, break even, break even, break even, break even. You would not lose anything. Make sense, everybody? Oh, sure, thank you very much. How can I make profits? Thank you very much. I almost forgot. Number 4. Close the trades in profit 5 minutes before the news release. Would this be a great example? You are here and you just pocket the profit, pocket the profit, pocket the profit, pocket the profit in this example, and bam, no losing trades. You are happy, you are smiling, right? So from the manual, right? Ask you, if you're a beginner trader, ask yourself those 3 fundamental questions. If you know that a high impact news event is coming, and if you're in a trade losing, what are you going to do? If you know that a high impact news event is coming and you are in a trade winning, so this was the example, what are you going to do? Number 3, if you know that a high impact news event is coming and if you are not in a trade yet, but there is a setup forming, what are you going to do? Study how news events impact what you do, how you trade, and improve accordingly. Alright? So the news is still running, everybody. You have the daily chart on the right side. You have the 15-minute chart left up corner. You have the 1 hour left down corner. How are you going to make pips and money? Any ideas? There is no right or wrong. And remember, on Friday we have another news, right? There is no right or wrong, everybody. Hedge fund trader Jan, it's the new one from yesterday. hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Sasha, hedge fund trader Mark, hedge fund trader Tari, hedge fund trader Singh, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Julius, Ala, Ernesto is traveling, thank you very much. Julius maybe. No, news event, it's we're going to learn a strategy, it's called the straddle. Alright? Yes, we have news event strategies. So the news was, the news was roughly half an hour ago. How are you going to make pips and money? There is no right or wrong. Would it be wrong, everybody? So far, right now. Would it be wrong if I assume that maybe, just maybe, this market is in consolidation? What do you think? And remember, this is not trading or investment advice. We are here to talk. And to help you, if you are scared, everybody, if you are scared, to help you, look at the daily chart. How does the daily chart look like? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. Today it's still forming. You have 5 candles, right? Would it be safe to assume that, alright, the market is going nowhere, kind of consolidation? If you say yes, well, you can short the market with confidence. Just an example, stop loss up in here, short the market, and we are trading this consolidation. Just an example. And remember, this is not trading or investment advice, alright? We're here to learn. Other one, whatever. Can we assume that the market broke the counter trend line break? I mean, the market broke the counter trend line? Would it be safe to assume? Can you see it, everybody? Is this factual? Is this a fact? Boss, but the market can still go up. Well, the market can do anything it wants, right? The market can do anything it wants. It can go up, down, sideways, mess around. But also the market waves in patterns 7 times out of 10. Hedge fund trader Shola, daily is in consolidation. Short has high probability. I agree. I agree with you, Shola. Shola, did you manage to open Darwin X0 account? Everybody, Darwin X0, it's great for beginner traders to practice. Trading.com is for advanced. You need to have a strategy on trading.com. They don't care how much you risk. It's a great incubation program, if you ask me, but it's for advanced traders. Alright? Darwin X0, it's so again, I don't know all around the world, but it's so far the best environment for beginner traders, if you ask me, to get funded. Trading.com is for advanced. It's a live account. Trading.com is live account, your money, right? So here you can burn, theoretically you can lose all your money Here the downside, it's 38 euros per month. I'm not your father, you can do whatever you want. I'm not your father, you can do whatever you want. And remember, NZDK, talking about Canadian news, we have news on Friday too, right? So if the market is going to continue to fall down like this, hopefully, then maybe on Friday is going to, Friday, right? So maybe on Friday is going to do something like this, hopefully. This is my bet. I'm shorting NZDK anyway. But also on Friday, depending on the news, the market can go up again. Boss, I'm constantly losing money. Well, the very first thought would be go trade the higher time frame patterns. Alright? This is the daily market wave, also called market structure. Alright? And you have high, lower high, and still a lower high. Alright? Talking about direction. So what's the probability of the market to break this high? No, not that one. That's not confirmed yet. Market wave theory, everybody. Only when the market is going to make a new lower low, only and only then this high is going to be confirmed, not before. If you trade a down market wave, then the stop loss goes up in here. Make sense? Above this high. See everybody how, I have a comment on the other streaming platform, but still, oh, I'm constantly losing. See how much money you're losing in here, everybody? Example. You could be on the 50-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 2 hour charts in here. Just made a higher high, but it's bouncing down, right? I have never opened. I'm on loan. Find an investor, Shola. Find an investor. Find a sponsor. Exactly, the smaller time frames. See here, see here, everybody, lower low, and then higher high. See here, and in between it's kind of sideways, messy, So the very first one, if you are consistently losing, go on the higher time frames. And the other one is, it depends how many years you are in the market. I'm begging you, you should really beg me, but I'm begging you, please come to the Forex course 202. I'm not sure if Melissa is here. Shola already forgot. Shola forgot about the very basic stuff, We had the Fibonacci mastery for the last 3 weeks. Shola, can you make consistent let's see if Shola remembers. Hedge fund trader Shola, can you make consistent profits? Can you become a consistently profitable trader without the Forex course 202 knowledge? It's a yes or no question. Hedge fund trader Clinton, I'm shorting already NZDK. Wow, congratulations. Congratulations. Very good. Clinton, you too, when you have time, check Darwin X0. Okay, and I put the discount code FXBoss20. Alright, so if you register everybody, Clinton, you tell me, because I need to send you the ebook plus the trading sessions, you know. Yeah, we are live trading in a group. But they changed Beat the Blues. They changed Beat the Blues. Everybody, give me a second. They changed Beat the Blues to record. If you put FXBoss20, you are going to have a 20 euros discount. If you put to record, you are going to have 30, I believe 30. Let me see, to record. To record, apply. So it's 30. Oh, not 30 euros, 30%. To record 30% off. FXBoss20 is 20 euros. Alright. Yeah, 20 euros, 30 euros, whatever. Alright, everybody? Remember, if you go with to record, you just got the ebook. No trading session for you. Alright, if you go with FXBoss20, then you are in my group of traders. Alright, don't come crying to me, you know. Some of you are using to record. Oh, can I trade with you? No, you should go with FXBoss20. Don't come crying back. Alright. So, hedge fund trader Clinton, where is your stop loss and take profit? What time frame are you trading? Are you trading the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, daily chart? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? Boss, what do you think is going to happen? Well, so based on what I'm seeing right now, remember, after the class it can change, right? But based on what I'm seeing right now, I believe, alright, I'm speculating right now because I don't have the crystal ball. I believe that the market is going to stay inside this channel until Friday, and I believe that on Friday then it's going to or go up or it's going to go down out of the channel. Alright? This is what I believe is going to happen. But remember, I'm speculating, you know, I mean, I wish I would have the crystal ball, but I don't. Alright. So, NZD was 1. What about? There is an opportunity on AUD CAD, right? Whoop, looks like not. So NZD CAD is falling. Why is AUD CAD going up? Give me a second, everybody. So 1 hour. Oh, it's going. Ah, right. Sorry about that. 1 hour. Fair enough. All right. So just close the candle on the 1 hour. AUD CAD 1 hour. Let's. If everything works well, Canada CHF should go up. Canada CHF should go up on the 1 hour chart. And it did, right? Canada CHF going up. So Canada is strong. Agreed, everybody? Can you see Canada's strength? On NZD CAD. And it's falling down still. Looking here, getting strength. Canada, you know, 1 hour chart going down, right? Very good. There is no right or wrong. Maybe you have a news trade strategy, day trade strategy, swing trade strategy. Catch fund trader Clinton, I shorted at 0.831, stop loss at 4-hour time frame. Wow, nice. Congratulations to you. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. And out this one, out this one, out this one. So Clinton is shorting. This is blue, and transparency, and entry was at 0.83169. 83169. Wow, congratulations. And very good, very good, very good. Clinton is learning, everybody. Clinton is learning. So this is going to be the stop loss. It's at 0.84322. Alright. Relevant high. Wow. Shorting the market wave. Wow. Great job, Clinton. And this is the take profit. It's at 0.78916. For our chart, or we can go to the daily, right? We can go to the daily. Just quickly, everybody. Wow. Everybody is trading difficult. There is no right or wrong. I understand this, right? We understand this. There is no right or wrong, and of course, Forex course 202, our strategy must be in synergy with our personality. So not everybody, it's comfortable doing like this, but just visually, everybody, what do you think? Has Clinton a great chance of success or a small chance? What do you think, everybody? There is no right or wrong. The market can do anything it wants. What's the probability of the market hitting Clinton's stop loss? I'm using Fibonacci tool. Very good. Excellent. Everybody, I'm going to say something, and please don't get offended, alright? I'm going to say something because I want to help you. Please don't get me in the wrong way, alright? If your brain sees this one, alright, and you say, oh, Clinton has a great chance of being stopped out, then you have a perception problem. I know, don't yell at me. This is what I said, try to have an open mind. Make sense? If you believe there is no right or wrong, the market can do anything it wants, Clinton is shorting the market, the red one is the stop loss level, the green one is the take profit level, the blue one was his entry, alright? And the question is, what's the probability of Clinton being stopped out? Now, it depends on how you see the market. If you see the red one, then you are going to say, well, Clinton has a low probability of being stopped out. Why? Because the market's making lower lows, market wave on the daily. The market's making lower lows, lower highs. That's a fact. Oh yes, but period, end of story. This is not debatable. Alright? This is not subject to debate. The market so far, tomorrow might be another story, but so far, those are, even this one is still a lower high. the market's making lower highs and the market's making lower lows. Make sense? The market is not going to always crashing down like this. Sometimes the market has a deep retracement. So you have shallow retracements, market wave theory. You have deep retracements. Make sense? And you have everything in between. Can you see it spatially, everybody? The difference? Now the yellow one, the yellow lines are tricking you to believe, oh, you are in an uptrend. Can you see it, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I can see it, or type in the chat, no, I don't get it, I don't understand. YouTubers too, student traders on YouTube, type in the chat, can you see how the yellow lines are tricking you to believe that you are in an uptrend? Don't get offended, everybody, I'm trying to help you. But you have a perception issue. Boss, you said there is no right or wrong. There is not right or wrong, but do we agree that the market wave is still down? Do we agree that the red line, it's making lower lows, lower highs so far? Do we agree? Exactly. If you're thinking, boss, but it made a higher low, well, you have a perception issue. You are here. Rewatch this recording hundreds of times. Yeah, I'm joking. But go back on Dukascopy Academy and find the market wave, everybody. Because you are seeing the yellow and you believe, oh, but it made a higher low. Which it did, but is this low? Is this higher low relevant to the market wave? Yes or no? Give me a second. Is this higher low from the theory drawing relevant to the red market wave? So here would be our relevant high on the red, relevant low on the red, and relevant high on the red. Students on YouTube, type in the chat. Is this number one? So question for you, number one, do you understand? What are we talking about? Question number two, is this higher low on the yellow uptrend, retracement, is it relevant to the red down market wave? Boss, what does this mean, relevant? Means that it's going to push up or down the market wave. And this makes all the difference in your trading. This is why you might be losing most of the time. I'm not arrogant, I'm trying to help you. Alright? Exactly, Shola says no. So when we have a perception issue, we believe that the yellow line is the driving force, when in reality the yellow line is a retracement on the red down market wave. And there you go. When we have a perception issue, we believe that the yellow line is the driving force, when in reality the yellow line is a retracement on the red down market wave. Javen, no, it's not relevant. Exactly. Exactly. Can you see, everybody, how easy it is to make mistakes in the market? Can you see how easy it's lose money on the demo account too? Because we have a perception issue. And somebody is yelling, no, for me, for me, this market is up. Everybody, for me, doesn't work in the financial markets. Alright? It's like doctor says, you need to have a 7-hour sleep, and you say, for me, it's enough 2 hours. And the doctor says, well, in health, for me, doesn't work. Makes sense here? For me, this market is up, and Clinton has a low probability, and we're in an uptrend. For me, it doesn't work. Everybody, what is the issue in the Forex course 202? This market is going to push down 7 times out of 10. Alright? But you are here, uncoachable, and you are thinking, for me, this market is up, and Clinton is going to lose. So the market is going to push down 7 times out of 10, and just because for you this market is going to go up and is going to stop Clinton out, and then you are going to start believe in a fantasy that this sucker, the yellow line, controls the price movement. Makes sense, everybody? This is the danger. Alright? And this is another lesson in the Forex course 202, the understanding of probabilities, the understanding of random distribution, the understanding of an edge. Makes sense? Just because you have one winner, doesn't mean that you are trading like you should. Does this make sense? Just because you have one winner doesn't mean that you understand how this game is played. Does this make sense? Only the consistency in my FX book is going to show you if you are understanding what is happening or not. Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Shola, isn't this true? Everybody, Shola and Javen are in the Forex course 202. Tell the Forex course 101 students, isn't this true that just because I won, I did some stupid things and I won, now I'm the man, right? Now I believe that I know how this market works. I'm going against the manual, I'm going against the concepts and the rules, right? And I'm doing everything wrong. And I'm questioning, like somebody, on the other stream platform, I'm constantly losing for years. I'm losing for years. Javen says, very true. It's very true. Everybody, a great part of learning the Forex course 202 is the unlearning of the past garbage. Alright? It's good news, you know, it most likely it's not even your fault. But you've learned in the wrong way. Does this make sense? This will be just an example. If you've learned that the driving force is the yellow, you know, you've learned in the wrong way. So you are going against me and Clinton, you know, and what is the ratio in market wave? That's statistically proven, you know. What's the ratio? So you are going to win 3 times, but then you're going to lose the next 7 times. Make sense? You could have winner, 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 but then the stacks are going to reverse in our favor. Make sense? Because you don't understand probabilities. I'm not saying you don't understand in a negative sense, you know, it's all about education. Just because you won once or twice, now you believe that, oh, this concept, they don't work. But what is your MyFX book telling to you? Is your MyFX book telling you that you are doing the right stuff? Or is MyFX book telling you that, yeah, you are working hard more than everybody else, but you are working hard in the wrong way? Because Forex course 202, hard work doesn't work in the financial markets. Jabin and Shola, does hard work works in the financial markets? Is you studying the charts 24-hour and it's you making thousands of trades going to bring you more money? Does hard work works? Boss, can you repeat again? Hard work doesn't work because you could be working very hard in the wrong way. Does this make sense? Exactly. Javan says no, it doesn't work. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Learn about from the manual, you have the news announcements. Alright, how news events impact up what we have learned so far. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and open Darwin X if you want. The downside is 38 euros per month. Alright? And start building your business. Yes, exactly. Approach trading like a boss.